Picture a tiny spaceship, no bigger than a car, drifting alone through the endless black of space. This is Voyager 1, a real probe, not science fiction. Launched in 1977, it gave us our first close-up views of Jupiter and Saturn, then just kept going. Now it's the farthest human-made object from Earth, carrying a golden record with music, greetings, and images. A message in a bottle for the cosmos. Voyager 1 is humanity's ambassador, venturing into interstellar space since 2012. Out there, it measures cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma, sending back data from a realm we've never explored. Communicating with Voyager is a challenge. It's over 16 billion miles away, and every message takes nearly a day to travel each way. Yet, this aging probe still talks to us, a testament to the engineers who built it. For decades, its journey was quiet and predictable. But on October 29, 2025, everything changed. Voyager 1 encountered something unexpected, something that could rewrite what we know about the universe. Imagine a lonely explorer carrying our story, suddenly stumbling upon a cosmic mystery. What could it be? The answer would soon captivate scientists and the world. Voyager's next chapter was about to begin, and it all started with a chance encounter in the dark. The object that caught Voyager's attention. Scientists call it 3I Atlas. I stands for interstellar. This visitor comes from another star. We've seen a few interstellar objects before, like Oumuamua and Borisov, but 3I Atlas is different. Discovered by the Atlas telescope, it's moving too fast to be captured by our sun, just passing through on a one-way trip. Unlike comets from our solar system, it's not looping back. It's a true outsider. What makes it fascinating is its size and makeup. Bigger than previous interstellar visitors and not quite a comet or asteroid. It lacks the bright tail of a comet, hinting at unusual materials. Studying it is like getting a sample from another part of the galaxy, without leaving home. The real twist. Its path would take it close to Voyager 1. The odds of this are astronomical, like 2 grains of sand meeting mid-air on a vast beach. Suddenly, humanity's farthest probe and a visitor from another star were set to cross paths. This rare alignment was a cosmic opportunity. Scientists knew they had to act fast. The universe had handed us a golden ticket. What secrets would this interstellar traveler reveal? The stage was set for an unprecedented encounter. When NASA realized Voyager 1 would pass near 3I Atlas, excitement erupted. Voyager wasn't built for this. It's old, running on a fading nuclear battery with many instruments shut down. But the team at JPL decided to try something bold: wake up dormant instruments to study the interstellar visitor. It was risky. One wrong command could end the mission. Still, they carefully planned to power up Voyager's plasma wave instrument and magnetometer. These tools would let Voyager feel the environment around 3I Atlas, even without cameras. It was like exploring a dark room with only your hands and ears. After weeks of preparation, commands were sent. The world waited through a tense 44-hour round trip for a response. Then, success. Voyager received its new instructions and reconfigured for the flyby. The old probe was ready for one last adventure. Voyager was now our first interstellar detective. It would get closer to an object from another star than anything we'd ever sent. The countdown to a historic encounter had begun. The universe was about to reveal something extraordinary. As Voyager 1 neared 3I Atlas, data began streaming in. At first, everything seemed normal. Quiet interstellar space, steady plasma, and magnetic fields. Then, the magnetometer picked up a faint rhythmic pulse, a pattern Voyager had never seen before. Soon after, the plasma wave instrument detected a narrow-band radio signal, like a clear whistle instead of the usual cosmic static. Both signals grew stronger as Voyager approached the object. The team checked for malfunctions. None found. The signals were real, coming from the direction of 3I Atlas. The magnetic pulse and radio whistle intensified, their patterns becoming more complex. It was as if Voyager was flying into a region with its own strange rhythm and melody. Natural, cosmic sources are usually chaotic, not organized like this. The science team was baffled. Was this a new kind of natural phenomenon, or something else entirely? Voyager was in uncharted territory. The mystery deepened with every byte of data. Something out there was different, very different, and Voyager was right in the middle of it. The world watched, waiting for answers. The anomalies didn't stop at strange signals. As Voyager 1 passed closest to 3I Atlas, its trajectory shifted, an unexpected push in the emptiness of space. This shouldn't happen. 3I Atlas isn't massive enough to cause such a change. It was like hitting an invisible speed bump in the void. The navigation team double-checked. An unknown force had acted on the probe. Meanwhile, the magnetic pulse became more complex, and the radio signal turned into a shifting melody. Natural phenomena don't create such organized, evolving signals. The combination, magnetic rhythms, melodic radio, and a mysterious force, was unprecedented. It was as if 3I Atlas was surrounded by a bubble of strange physics. Voyager hadn't just passed a rock. It had entered a region where the rules seemed to bend. The data was undeniable, but the explanation was elusive. Scientists were left with more questions than answers. What was this force? What was creating the signals? Voyager had uncovered a cosmic puzzle. The implications were staggering. The universe had just gotten a lot weirder. Back on Earth, scientists raced to explain Voyager's bizarre data. Instrument malfunction, ruled out. Unknown natural phenomenon, none fit the structured musical signals or the strange push. For 3I Atlas to nudge Voyager, it would need to be as massive as a star. But it's not. Some proposed exotic matter or a localized warp bubble, ideas from the edge of physics. The signal's complexity led a few to whisper artificial. Could this be a beacon, a message, or the exhaust of advanced technology? Theories range from wild to revolutionary. The data defied every conventional explanation. The possibility of something artificial was now on the table. The discoveries near 3I Atlas force us to ask, are we alone? This isn't proof of aliens, but it's the strongest evidence yet for something beyond natural phenomena. The signals and force on Voyager are techno-signatures, potential signs of technology. If artificial, it means another intelligence exists in our galaxy. 3I Atlas could be an alien probe, a derelict artifact, or a cosmic shipwreck. Studying it could reveal new physics and the history of another civilization. But science demands skepticism. Maybe it's a new kind of natural object. Either way, it's a monumental discovery. The universe is stranger than we imagined. Voyager's find will rewrite our textbooks. We stand at the edge of a new cosmic chapter. The search for answers has just begun. Why does this matter, billions of miles away? Because exploring the unknown drives progress here on Earth. Space missions spark new technologies and inspire generations. This discovery touches our oldest question, are we alone? A cosmic revelation could unite humanity, shifting our perspective from nations to one world. If 3I Atlas is advanced technology, it could hold secrets to energy, travel, or survival. Even if it's just a strange rock, the pursuit inspires curiosity and innovation. Exploration is in our DNA. From ancient wanderers to Voyager's journey, the quest for answers transforms us. It's not just about what we find, but how the search changes who we are. The journey itself is what makes us human. So, what's next? Voyager and 3I Atlas drift apart, but the data remains. Scientists will analyze every byte, searching for meaning. This event sparks a new era. More telescopes, more missions, more eyes on the sky. Future probes may chase the next interstellar visitor, or even try to catch up with 3I Atlas. Such a mission would be a monumental challenge, but the rewards could be historic. Space exploration isn't just about rocks and pictures, it's about expanding our horizons. The universe is vast, and we've only begun to read its story. Voyager's encounter is a thrilling new chapter. There are still mysteries waiting just beyond our reach. We must keep exploring, keep looking up. The next discovery could change everything. The cosmos is calling. Will we answer?